Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Friday. It is super gloomy outside and I had to be in my body to do something today, so actually Dev and I are on our way to go for like a little brunch snacky, and then we're gonna go to the Leah theatre to go watch Challenges. I'm actually quite keen. I've been seeing a lot of like promo about it online, so I think it's gonna be super cool. And yeah, that is pretty much what we have planned for the morning. I won't lie, it is nice to do like cozy activities when it's raining, even though ideally we'd just prefer to stay home, but I think this will be super fun. And yeah, happy Friday everyone. I just want to show you my outfit. So this jacket is vintage. I got it from, it's Bang Bang Vintage. And then this sweater, how cute is it? I'm literally obsessed. It kind of inspired the outfit for today. It's like this vintage Morello sweater. It was my mom's. It's got like little reindeers and sleds. My pants are Canvas Studios. My boots are Cotton On. And my sunnies are Cotton On. These are actually Cleo's. Sorry, Cleo. I've been wearing them. I'm obsessed. My jewelry is the Fits. So yeah, that's my outfit. We are at Between Us now. It's actually lunchtime. I thought it was more brunch, but it's actually quite late. I've never actually had lunch here before. I've only ever had breakfast, so I got a chicken pie. It was between the soup of the day, the risotto, and chicken pie. And honestly, people in Cape Town are so dramatic in general. Like, it can literally be like, it's not even that cold, but it's just raining and gloomy, and like we are all like full on winter mode. Like, I think the temperature, what do you think the temperature is? Like maybe 20 degrees, 18, 20, 18.
Yeah.
18, let's say 18, which isn't excessively cold particularly, but like I'm like soup weather, pie weather. I haven't had chicken pie in ages, so I was like, let me just go for that, something different. And I'm actually starving. I just feel like I'm constantly hungry. So yeah, that is the lunch situation. Theatre watching Challenges. Do you like my DIY light?
It's quite heavy.
I know. Usually, I've never actually been in this specific cinema before. I didn't even know it was here, but usually it's like quite an old cinema because it's like an old movie theatre. But yeah, interesting. The seats are comfy though, so that's a plus. Should we do some tak choy, okay? Okay. I don't see the broccoli that I want. I'll get this one. Do you know how to cook fish though?
Yeah, I do.
I think we need some lemon.
I've got lime. Lime and chocolate on it.
Dinner. It's not the prettiest looking, but no, I'm sure it'll taste good. Hey Queens, happy Saturday. We're on our way to the Oranje market, but I just wanted to show you my outfit real quick. I I got these pants today from a local brand called Los Cop. You can see the little tag is so cute. And then also this bag. I'm literally obsessed with this bag. It's like copiously large, which I'm obsessed with, but I also love the crossbody. I was actually looking for a bag like this to take with to Europe, like that's big but that can still like kind of sit comfortably. So, and I'm obsessed with the silver. So yeah, I'm so happy about that. So thank you so much, Los Cop. Definitely check them out. Yeah, and then my jacket's thrifted. Well, not thrifted, it's vintage. It was my mom's. Top is cotton on, boots are cotton on. And yeah, see you at the market. How's your Pokeball, Blake? Is it? Yeah. Better than like a regular one? Nah. What would you do different?
I want sushi rice.
Yeah, the sushi rice does hit different. Out of 10.
7.5.
It's not bad.
7.5.
It's not bad. And your coffee dip? 6? Yeah, I would say about 6. 6.
Yeah, it's not good.
I want to get a kombucha, but which flavor? So many options. I want this one, but 56 rand is a little bit wild. I think I might do raspberry and hibiscus. Hey besties, so it's Saturday night and I just wanted to chat. I'm currently busy doing work. My working schedule is like so strange because most of the work that I do, most of my work is like, so I work in content, I do content creation full time, but a lot of my work is like approval and like deadlines based, if that makes sense. Like I can literally do nothing in the week and then like on like a Saturday night I'll be working. It's very strange, but honestly it's giving work-life balance, so slay. So I was busy working and I didn't realize what time it was or anything, and obviously the last time I ate at the market, which was like 1, and like an hour ago I was like, damn, I'm actually quite hungry, because I was kind of hoping that Devin was going to bring pizza home. I think he is, so yeah, he's on his way now. He should be home soon. Dinner, well, my interim dinner. It was so funny because we had that mash obviously with the fish and there's a little bit left over, so I literally, it's giving world dinner like to the max. I don't know why I didn't put it in a bowl, but I was busy working and I put it in this giant mug. So I put the mashed potato and then I put cottage cheese in the mashed potato to mix it up and make it more like creamy and protein, I guess. And then I added some pickled jalapenos. So good. Like, it was so good. Like, it was the perfect snack. definitely filled the space of the hunger. So this is my current setup, ignore the vision board. But yeah, this is the movie I was watching on Netflix, Mother of the Bride. It's got Miranda Cosgrove in it, from iCarly.
Let's not waste any more time. Take a look.
But yeah. My toxic trait lately, it is so bad and it makes me so annoyed that I'm like this. But working from home, especially like when you work from home, and essentially as like a freelancer, it's so easy to just not have routine or structure. Like literally, why is it that every day I wake up early enough? Like I wake up at like 7:30ish, maybe 8 sometimes. But it's like, okay, as soon as I wake up, I'll like stay in bed and then I'll like grab my laptop or my iPad and I'll just like start going through emails and like working like in bed. And then next thing you know, what is the time? I think it's like 10:30 and I haven't brushed my teeth. I haven't done anything because I've just been working in bed, and it's just like, why am I like this? Like, why do I not have a proper structure? But anyways, different strokes for different folks. I'm just a girl. I'm literally just a girl. So let me actually just go brush my teeth because this is ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed. Okay, so here's the desk set up for the day. I'm gonna do some work now. I just made some breakfast. I just did a piece of toast with, well, I did 2 pieces with cottage cheese, tomato, rocket, and jalapenos. The tomato jalapeno maybe at 10 o'clock in the morning is a little bit wild for my stomach. But it's fine. We'll make it through. And I'm just gonna do some editing now because I actually have been putting this off. So yeah, I will check back in with you later. So basically, they've printed out a bunch of their followers like accounts, and I think they're gonna kind of just flip a coin and see where it lands, and then they're gonna give that person cash. And then I think that I was busy making this morning while I was procrastinating, and they're gonna kind of like do giveaways up until that point, I guess. I feel like this is low-key becoming what I eat in a weekend video, because I feel like everything I've just done in this video is just eat or cook something. But yeah, this is a salad that we got yesterday. Actually, it was like one of those build your own salads from Spar, but there wasn't much left. I didn't like eat it all, but then some little mice in the house got into it. I'm joking. So I just kind of bulked it up with some rocket, and I added more egg and jalapenos obviously, and tomato, and yeah, and super good. Oh, and blue cheese, so good. Okay queens, I think I'm gonna end off the video here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share and do whatever you want to do, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all of those lovely places. The end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really enjoying vlogging, so you're lucky because I won't leave you hanging. Probably like one more vlog, maybe 2, depending on how much work I have to do before packing videos. That's gonna be so fun. And then it's travel time, so yeah, let me know if you want me to go through like the itinerary. I kind of wanted to keep it a little bit of a secret because just so you can be surprised where we go. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you'd be able to keep up in real time. But let me know if you want me to go through a little bit of like an itinerary like a travel itinerary or something like that. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!